The big story developing in Mumbai right now. The Narcotics Control Bureau lens is once again on Bollywood bigwigs, this time around Arjun Rampal. In connection with the drug link case, actor Arjun Rampal's Bandra house was raided by the NCP. This is coming in after NCB arrested South African national Agesilaus Dimitriades earlier. Agesilaus is the brother of Arjun Rampal's girlfriend Gabriella. Two other places in Mumbai's Khar and Andheri were also raided. The NCB has detained the driver who is working for Arjun Rampal, who is currently being questioned. The NCB officials had earlier said that Dimitriades had links with drug cartels operating in Southeast Asia and Africa and could be involved in smuggling synthetic drugs from India to countries in the said region. The probe agency has also conducted raids in Mumbai's Khar and Andheri areas. The Bureau's probe started earlier this year, remember, during investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's death in June. As the anti-drugs agency widened its probe, Bollywood A-listers like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, Rakul Preet Singh, they were all questioned. And the big one right now is Arjun Rampal's residence getting raided by the Narcotics Control Bureau in Mumbai. Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining us live. Pankaj, this is a huge story, but not coming in as a surprise because Agesilaus Dimitriades was in the NCB custody as well. Now, as far as Arjun Rampal's house is concerned, did they recover any contrabands from his house at the moment? And I also believe that he's not in the country.
Well, Chetty, let me apprise you what's happening on ground zero. The narcotics control team is still conducting the searches here at the Mumbai residence of Bollywood actor Arjun Rampal. There's no official word whether the Bollywood actor is here in his house or not, but I can see that his car is here. One of his car is already here. The residents are not saying anything. We tried to have a word with the security guard. He's saying that he is confirmed that this car that you see on your screens right now belongs to Arjun Rampal, an indication that perhaps he could be here. On the 14th and the 15th floor of this building, which is named as Capri Heights, is the residence of this actor, Bollywood actor Arjun Rampal. And the Narcotics Control Bureau officials have been here since 7 a.m. I'll also show the viewers the car in which the NCB officials had come in the morning. This very car that you see, this is the car in which the Narcotics Control Bureau officials had come in. And Chetty, you know, it doesn't really come as a surprise that his place is being searched right now. And because Arjun Rampal's name was doing the rounds for over a month. I remember when we had a word with the NCB officials, they were saying that they had a list of more than 20 Bollywood stars under their scanner, and Arjun Rampal was one of them. So it was only a matter of time when the NCB officials would have searched his house. We do have no confirmation as of now whether the NCB officials have managed to procure any contraband as such from his place, but going by the account of searches that are going right now and the time that it has taken, it's only a matter of time that perhaps the NCB officials would be giving some big information. 7 o'clock was the time when the NCB officials entered this building.
Pankaj, just to interrupt you for a second, of course, Arjun Rampal is not his house, and we're not going to be speculating whether he's inside or not and where he is in terms of his whereabouts. The fact of the matter remains is that his house is being raided as we speak by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and soon we will get updated in case there are contrabands that have been found. But there's another important point here. His driver is being questioned at the moment. What are the acquisitions right now as far as the, the driver is concerned? Arjun Rampal's links with drug peddlers are concerned. We do know what is going on as far as Agesilaus Dimitriades is concerned as well.
Well, Jyoti, as far as the Narcotics Control Bureau officials are concerned, they maintain that this is not a sudden move. And in fact, this has been an ongoing investigation. Yesterday and a day before that, we saw how the NCB official has searched many places in many suburban areas of Mumbai, including Andheri, Khar, Oshiwara, Malad and Kharghar as well. And they had detained 4 people as well. Of course, we know that after their questioning, how Firoz Nadia Adwala's name had also come in, and yesterday his wife was also arrested. But most importantly, when the police, when the NCB had arrested the brother of Rampal's girlfriend, it was then a lot of information had come out. it was said that he was in a relationship with a Nigerian national, and he was a drug peddler as well. So this is an international racket. The NCB officials took their time, but we do not know whether they have some concrete information. But of course, going by the way in which the searches are being conducted right now, it does give a suggestion that perhaps the NCB officials did have concrete evidence before they came here for the searches here. But NCB officials and the sources tell us that after the questioning of the 4 accused yesterday, they got more information. But what was the extent and what was the intensity of this information, we are yet to find out. But the latest from Ground Zero remains that the NCB officials are still inside. The searches have been continuing since 7 a.m.
Wow.
Jyoti.
So 7 a.m. onwards, it's 2 o'clock by the watch. And since 7 a.m., there is a search going on at Arjun Rampal's residence. On your screens right now is the residence of Arjun Rampal, his house in Bandra, raided by the Narcotics Control Bureau. That is the big breaking story coming here on India Today. We'll update you in case NCB sources do indicate what contrabands, in case any, have been found from his residence. We'll keep coming back to the story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.